Welcome students. In this video, we will solve problems based on cone. Now we are going to start exercise 7.1. Have a look of formulas to find curved surface area and total surface area of the cone. See, curved surface area of the cone equal to pi r L square units. Total surface area of the cone equal to pi r L plus r square units. Slant height equal to square root of r square plus h square. You should know what is r, h and L. Let's deal with question number 4 in exercise 7.1. Read the question. Rectangle triangle PQR where Q 90 degree. See here, PQR, Q 90 degree is rotated about QR and PQ if QR equal to 16 centimeter and PR equal to 20 centimeter. Compare the curved surface areas. Here we rotate this right angle about the two axes, first one QR and second one PQ. We have to find the curved surface area. See the diagram. According to the given data, H and L is given. But what's the formula for curved surface area? Pi r L. So we need to find R. Let us see. First we rotate this triangle about QR. So given H is equal to 16 centimeter, L equal to 20 centimeter. First find R using the formula square root of L square minus H square. Substitute the given values. After simplification we get R equal to 12. So radius equal to 12 centimeter. Curved surface area equal to pi r L. Substitute the values. Here no need to substitute the value of pi because the numbers are not cancelled by 7. So please keep pi as it is, 240 pi centimeter square. Next we rotate the triangle above PQ. See the diagram. So given R equal to 16 centimeter, L equal to 20 centimeter. Curved surface area equal to pi r L. Substitute the values, then 320 pi centimeter square. But the question is, we have to compare the curved surface area. Compare both the areas. What happened? This one is larger. So when we rotate about PQ, the curved surface area is larger. Like this you have to complete the answer. Fifth sum. 4 persons live in a conical tent whose slant height is 19 meter. If each person require 22 meter square of the floor area, then find the height of the tent. This is a conical tent. Let us take the height as h, radius as r. What is given? Slant height is given 19 meter. One more information. Every person require 22 meter square floor area. So area required for one person equal to 22 meter square. But how many number of persons there? 4 persons. So area required for 4 persons equal to 4 into 22, 88 meter square. What is the base of the cone? It is in the circle shape. So this is nothing but area of the circle. Pi r square. Pi r square equal to 88. Using this we have to find r. 22 by 7 into r square equal to 88. If we take this fraction to the right hand side, it is in reciprocal. After simplification we get r square equal to 28. Read the question carefully. We have to find height. What's the formula for height? H is equal to L square minus r square. We have to substitute the value of r square. So keep this r square as it is. Don't take the square root. Substitute the values for L and R. L square equal to 19 square, but R square you have to substitute 28 as it is. After simplification we get H square equal to 333. Here we need to take square root. But the easiest method is prime factorization method. Take the prime factorization. 333 divided by 3, 111. Again divide by 3, what happened? 37. So h square equal to 3 into 3 into 37. Take the square root. Square root of 3 into 3 into 37. For 3's we have to take 3. What about this 37? We are all having a logbook. Using that logbook we have to find the square root of numbers from 1 to 100. Using that you find the square root. But you should know the long division method or prime factorization method. But for late bloomers, it's a suggestion to use the logbook. So height equal to 18.24 meter. Sixth sum. A girl wishes to prepare birthday caps in the form of right circular cone for her birthday party using a sheet of paper whose area is 5720 centimeter square. The shape of the paper is not mentioned, but the area of the paper is given. How many caps can be made with radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter? The birthday cap is in the shape of a cone, but using the paper, the area only given, not the shape. See, radius of the cone equal to 5 centimeter, height equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find the number of caps. Number of caps equal to area of the paper by surface area of the cap. So we have to find surface area. What's the surface area formula? Pi r L. So we need to find L here. L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Substitute the values. We get L equal to square root of 169. Taking the square root, L equal to 13 centimeter. Number of caps equal to area of the sheet used by curved surface area of the cone. What is the area of the sheet? 5720. Curved surface area of the cone, pi r L. Substitute the values for pi, r and L. In next step, we take this 7 to the numerator. Then, before doing this simplification, we have to multiply these two numbers. 5000 into 7 by 22 into 5, 110. Now, let's see. This 0 and 0 first get cancelled. Then 572 divided by 11, 52. 52 divided by 13, 4. 4 sevens are 28. So the number of caps equal to 28. Seventh sum. The ratio of the radii of two circular cones of same height. Two cones given, radius are different but same height. Ratio of radii equal to 1:3. We have to find the ratio of their curved surface area. And one more condition is given. Height of each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. Let us take the radius as x. Ratio of the radii equal to 1:3. Let the radius equal to x. So R1 equal to 1 means x, R2 1:3, so R2 3x. Which is the smallest one? R1. So the first cone is the smallest one. So H1 equal to 3x, H2 equal to 3x. We have to compare the curved surface area. For curved surface area we need L. First find L. L equal to square root of R1 square plus H1 square. Substitute x square plus 3x square. X square and 9x square are like terms. So add these like terms, we get square root of 10x square. Then taking the square root of 10 for x square, we have to put x. Next, L2 equal to square root of r square plus h square. Substitute the values. 9x square plus 9x square, adding this 18 into x square. We write this 18 as 2 9s are 18. Taking the square root, for 9, 3, x square x, write to root 2 as it is. Ratio of CSA equal to pi R1 L1 is to pi R2 L2. Substitute the values. Please simplify. See here, cancel the like terms. This pi and pi get cancelled and x and x and x and x. We write this root 10 as root 2 into root 5 is 3 into 3 root 2. Cancel this root 2. Root 5 is 9. So ratio of the curved surface area equal to root 5 is 9. Hope you all understand very well. Please practice the sums. Thank you.